Unraveling the Art of Choreographed Scenes. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting aspect of English language learning, especially when it comes to understanding phrases and expressions used in the world of film, theater, and dance. We're going to explore the meaning behind choreographed scenes and why they are so important in various forms of storytelling. Whether you're a language learner, a cinema enthusiast, or just curious, this video will shed light on this fascinating topic. So, let's get started. First things first, let's break down the word choreographed. At its core, choreography refers to the art of designing sequences of movements in which motion, form, or both are specified. Although it's most commonly associated with dance, choreography can apply to a wide range of activities, including stage performances, gymnastics, cheerleading, synchronized swimming, and even film scenes. The key element here is the intentional design and planning of movements to convey meaning, tell a story, or create a specific visual effect. When something is choreographed, every action is carefully thought out and arranged in advance, rather than being spontaneous or improvised. Now, when we talk about choreographed scenes, we're referring to parts of movies, plays, or any performance where the movements of the performers or elements of the scene are meticulously planned and executed. This can include dance routines, fight sequences, complex camera movements, or any scene requiring precise timing and coordination among its participants. Choreographed scenes are crucial because they help to elevate the narrative, add depth to characters, and enhance the overall aesthetic appeal of the performance. They require a great deal of creativity, collaboration, and technical skill to pull off effectively, often involving choreographers, directors, and performers working closely together to bring the vision to life. Choreographed scenes leave a lasting impact on audiences for several reasons. They enhance storytelling. Through movement, these scenes can express emotions, character development, and narrative progression in ways that words alone cannot. Create visual spectacle. The beauty and complexity of choreographed movements can be visually stunning, making the scene more memorable and engaging. Evoke emotional responses. Well-executed choreography can stir emotions, creating a deeper connection between the audience and the performance. Showcase talent. They provide a platform for performers to showcase their skills, whether it's in dance, martial arts, or acting. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of choreographed scenes and their significance in the realm of performance and storytelling. Whether you're watching a movie, a play, or a dance performance, you can now appreciate the artistry and effort that goes into creating these meticulously planned moments. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this explainer helpful. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing for more content like this. Remember, learning a new language opens up a world of possibilities, and understanding phrases like these enriches your comprehension and enjoyment of different cultures and art forms. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.